Hey guys, this is the Sony mirrorless camera Alpha 5100. It's a 5 years old camera, but still better than other mirrorless camera. So it's a 24 megapixel uh, with flip screen camera, Exmor Simio Sandor IPS-C actual size, Beyond X Future Wi-Fi, DNA NFC Full HD rec- recording, 24.3 megapixel fast hybrid autofocus, touch, shutter, built-in flash. So power zone lens kit come in the box, 16 to 15 millimeters sensor lens. So here are some features of Sony Alpha 5100. So guys, it's time to unbox. There are many uh, user manuals, uh, power cord, charger, strap, camera strap, micro USB cable, and this needs to be a charger. Yes, charger. Okay. Battery is 120 milliampere battery, lithium ion battery. And finally, here is the camera. So as you can see, small body camera, mirrorless cameras smaller than DSLR cameras, flip screen with touch shutter. Okay. Let's turn camera. So on the top we have a zoom power button. Here is the left and right microphone, flash, inbuilt flash. There is no external slot for external flash. uh, Movie button, menu button, navigation buttons. This is the preview button. You can play the files from here. Hey, this is the delete button, NFC. There's this one is for strap holders. On this side there is a micro USB port for charging, HDMI micro USB port, and Here is the micro SD slot. In this way. Okay. This cap needs to be removed. Look at this sensor. Optical steady shot by Sony. Power zoom. With this button you can remove the lens. As you can see. Okay. Menu. Camera settings. It's set on 24 megapixel to capture. Here. You can capture when touching the display. So okay guys, I'll attach the link for sample videos and pictures of Sony A5100. This is the quick review of Sony 5100 mirrorless camera, budget camera, 5 years camera, but still got camera, good stand in hand, mini camera. You can capture anything you want with this compact camera. So guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe for more videos like this one, new gadgets, new devices, and thanks for watching.